Good morning, everyone. This is Todd Robbins from the Utah Elections Project. I'm the founder and developer. This is the homepage, toddrobbins.com /Utah elections. I'm going to be moving that to a web domain. I just need to pick one. If you're feeling generous, you can contact me and shoot me a couple of dollars. It's only like $15 to secure the domain for a year. And that would be really helpful. So these are the main sections of the site. We have about, which just tells about the project. I need to expand this so it's actually useful. Data, it's got overview of election dates right now, but it's also got these bulk files that you can download, which include a CSV spreadsheet that you could open up in Excel or other programs, JSON file for those who work with web applications, and I've also been gathering recorder information. So at a county level and city level, you can find information about those who are keeping track of this kind of information. So if you go to the people section, this is where you're going to find a listing of all the candidates that we have entered into the database so far, which include Salt Lake County, Utah County, and a couple of candidates from other counties. That's all I've gotten to so far in my time. But we'd welcome any kind of contributions. So just quick overview. If you click on a name, obviously it's going to take you into this person's record. You're going to see their name, their gender, when the record was last updated, a little bit about them, and a map. The map's going to vary, so if we don't have a location recorded for the candidate, most people are required to submit their address to prove that they live in the boundary that they're running for. Then it will load a map a point on a map to show you kind of where that person is in the community. And also any social media or websites will kind of show up here with buttons if there is one. I guess I could find a better example. Contact information if we have that. Media would be any kind of news coverage or blog posts or interviews. Documents would be anything that more of an official nature, such as financial disclosures or other documents like that. And every page has a comment section, so you can have discussions here if that's something that you're interested in or you have questions about. Also, every candidate has, it'll list a source for where we found that information. Typically, it's going to be the county clerk's website, some sort of document there. Let me go back to find someone with a little more information on their page. So for instance, this is a friend of mine. Hi, Andrew. Andrew is running for City Council, District 4 in Midvale. You can see it pulls up his Facebook page for his campaign because we've gathered that. You can also see the address. So if you were to click on it, it's going to pull up a Google Maps page with that address. If you click on the phone number, it's going to make a call. Especially if you're on a mobile phone, I wanted it to be easy for people to just make a call from the website to these candidates or officials, and the email address. So that kind of gives it a better idea. If you click on any of these links, it's going to take you to Midvale and all the candidates for Midvale. If you click on Salt Lake, it's going to take you to Salt Lake County and all of those candidates. So it's pretty easy to hop around and browse what's going on in the various cities and counties. Obviously, I need to add more. We only have Utah County and Salt Lake County at this point. Places, similar kind of ideas. So you just have all of the cities, which you can click any of these. I might not have mentioned that on the people page. But you can click any of these table headers to sort alphabetically, which is helpful if you just want to quickly do that. Search, works sometimes, and so I'm working on that still. If anyone wants to contribute and help me figure that out, I'd really appreciate it. Other than that, there's this resources page, which I just began, which is kind of going to go over more just like how voting works, how elections are run in the state of Utah, and other information like that. So if you would like to help with that, that's also something I'd love help with. So this is kind of just a brief overview. I should probably put up another blog post summarizing some of the things we have. Yeah, sorry, this is just kind of a ramble. I just wanted to give a little bit more of an idea of what I'm doing and kind of why I'm doing it. One other thing I guess I should mention is that I'm using the Creative Commons Zero license, which is basically just a declaration that all of the information and data available from this website is free and in the public domain and can be used however you want. I think too much of that stuff gets put behind paywalls, and so the citizenry isn't able to really make informed decisions because they have to jump through hoops. So I'm trying to eliminate those hoops and make things more accessible and fair. And I'd really appreciate you sharing this project with other citizens and contributing to the project if you have some time. Thank you, and have a great day.